Uptown Swing. Level 1 A count. Thursdays, Peter, Naomi, you guys. We did double tuck turn.
Like this. Rock, step, triple step, double turn. Then we went the other way.
Inside turn. Double turn.
You
Then
can
we
do
did
a circle if you like.
And I'm going to show the turning practice for the followers.
Check it. Hey, you can do it by
So
yourself.
followers, we did a big stripe in front of us. Rock, step, triple step, half, half, leftovers. Okay. Halt. We went down the line, but not a super long line. We take it right underneath us. Don't get too ambitious.
So when we're together, she's really not moving very far, and I'm helping with this turn. Leaders, I make a circle around my follower's head. Remember, the circle goes around, not through, but rather around the follower's head, and it doesn't go up and down and up and down. Just stays up. And when it's slow like this, it can be pretty big, and that'll be clear later on. Maybe it gets a bit smaller and smoother. Nice, yeah.